Thank you. My name is Osborn Ocheng. I am the resident district commissioner for AMURU and also the whip of RDCs of this sub-region, and also a member of the Rotary Club of Gulu City. Today's launch as a member of the Rotary Club it's one of our key events, because as Rotary, ours we stand for service above self. And indeed, this event, the first edition of the Oktoberfest, brought us to light with the common man. And I want to re-echo this as to what our coordinator, the mayor of Gulu City, mentioned as per the setup issues that these second editions are going to run on. I want to say that the theme of this year's Oktoberfest, which is celebrating culture and creativity and our global friendship. Indeed, if you were there during last year's event, you realize that Gulu City is the city of everybody. And the diversity that Uganda stands for was here. And I want to tell you, colleagues, friends from the Fourth Estate, that the time is now for us to rally behind this Oktoberfest so that we have a great event. I know there might have been one or two challenges, but to a larger extent, this was one of the best organized events that all of us witnessed. And I want to thank my brother, Council Ladwa, and all the Rotary Club members that came in together, because it was not only the Rotary Club of Gulu City, also our mother club, the Rotary Club of Gulu, also joined in, and other clubs around the country came on board. And this year's event is going to be one of the biggest. Colleagues, I want to tell you that I travel a lot around the globe, and they mention the name Gulu Oktoberfest. It's now a global name. So I want to call upon all of you to join hands with all of us, so that you be counted among colleagues and people tomorrow when we are talking about the second edition, and say that I was part of this great event. Because celebrating our culture, celebrating our identity is very paramount. And colleagues from the business sector, I want to thank the hotelier. I've seen my sister here and my brother Sunil. Please mobilize your colleagues. Let's widen the spectrum so that we have people across board. This is also going to help us promote the tourism sites, because we have tourism sites that as government we have not yet harnessed. But with the presence of Oktoberfest, these people who are coming to the region will have time to visit Fort Patiko, will have time to visit Gurguru Hills in AMURU, will have time to go and hike Agoro Hill in Lamo, will have time to check on Magician Falls, will have time to check on Kidepo, all this. So at the end of the day, our tourism sector will be harnessed, and our potential and the locations of Gulu City will always remain where it is, because we are here to position Gulu City as one of the best city in East Africa. And by and large, our brother, the mayor, has done his part. He has positioned it, because when you travel to Germany and come up with an idea, and at the end of the day, everybody is there to embrace. Mayor, my brother, you remain in the history, and we are going to stand with this each and every year. Rotary is going to be part and parcel to see that this celebration happens in every year, year in, year out. Thank you very much. May God bless you.